Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp for real estate agents. Mailchimp is a powerful email marketing platform that can significantly enhance your client communication. It allows you to organize your contacts, send personalized messages, and automate your follow-up processes. By leveraging its features, you can nurture leads, maintain relationships with past clients, and promote your listings more effectively, ultimately growing your real estate business with ease and efficiency. Building a well-organized audience is your first step to success. Easily import your existing contacts, whether they are past clients, current leads, or potential prospects. Segment your audience into groups like first-time buyers or investors to send highly relevant content. You can also create custom sign-up forms for your website or social media to capture new leads automatically. This targeted approach ensures your messages resonate with the right people. Now, let's craft engaging campaigns that capture attention. Mailchimp provides user-friendly templates to showcase your listings beautifully or share market updates. Focus on writing compelling subject lines that encourage recipients to open your emails. Always include a clear call to action, such as view property details or contact me for a tour. Personalizing your messages with client names or specific property interests can significantly boost engagement and response rates. Finally, tracking and optimizing your campaigns is crucial for continuous improvement. Mailchimp's reports show you valuable metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber engagement. Analyze this data to understand what content resonates most with your audience. Experiment with different subject lines or email layouts using a /B testing to find what works best. Regularly reviewing your performance allows you to refine your strategy and achieve even greater success with your email marketing efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.